I'd be up for that.
I'd be up for that too. I'm over it. Yesterday was 105, just incredible. We knew it would be the hottest day of the trend, but a spike like that is really uncomfortable. And it was close to coming near the old record, which was 106, set back in 1940. I'm glad that that still stands, even though 105 was so hot out there. Today is still the 100s. At least we're falling to 101 for perspective. Sun is coming up. We're at 74 this morning. Very dry, very stable, very hazy. That air quality downright awful. It's at 150, unhealthy for sensitive groups. You see that's only a point away from being unhealthy for everyone. So take it easy. Don't overexert your lungs in this bad air pollution today as this high pressure still dominates. But you see this sagging trough here? That's that low pressure system that I've been talking about. It's going to split off and dig down toward us, bringing those drops in temperatures day by day until we bottom out at 83 on Father's Day for the forecast now. Just a fantastic day out there, no matter what you have planned for Dad. Back up to 87 on Monday, and then we're stabilizing. 94 Tuesday is just above average. We keep warming on Wednesday, and you can see why. We're pushing today's ridge of high pressure out of the way, so still some 100s, and then here comes that low pressure system. So tomorrow is 90s. By Saturday, a stronger, fresher breeze. We're talking about the low 90s, and then Sunday, the best day of all. This system is going to sit here. It could churn up some possible thunderstorms for the Sierra to our north. Here this far south, just a fresh breeze, maybe some high thin passing clouds, if anything. And then you see that low is still in control, but it's starting to warm up on Monday. It's starting to break down a little bit Tuesday. Wednesday, it gets kicked out of the way as that new ridge of high pressure takes its place and sends those temperatures warming. Thursday is the official beginning of summer with the solstice a week from today. And then those upper 90s are back for the end of next week and the 100s by next weekend. So for the Kern River Valley, 95 today, Saturday 83, Father's Day just 80. That means much of the afternoon is spent in the 70s up there. Tehachapi 87 today, but only 77 by Saturday. You and Frazier Park enjoy those breezy low 70s on Sunday, and then you're going to climb back up 80s by Tuesday and even warmer after that.